Okay, my 285 students asked me to post a harder nodal analysis circuit. So I figured out I would come up with something that has a lot of nodes and looks like a little house. And the step one, the analysis is to count the number of nodes, which I'm not going to count, but I'll go directly to the second part of that step, which is to define ground. And hopefully you see how big a node here this green one is that I'm going to call ground. I'm happy to see that several people are using the green nodes for ground, so I'm going to keep using it. So I'm coloring it here, not very good, not very well. Need to take an art class. So all of this will be my ground node, and now I need to go labeling all the other nodes. And I'm gonna start with going around the left side here. So this is a red node, or pink maybe, not sure. And then there's a 10 volts there. And on the other side of those 10 volts, this is gonna be making a super node, but this is still, the blue there is a node. So the pink with blue will be one node. And then I'm gonna go up here on this side, the red node, and it's also connected to a voltage supply, the 2V1. So the other side is also like a node, but it's going to be a super node made by the 2V1. So I'm also going to paint it blue, even though it's a different node there, because I'm going to run out of colors. And now the dark blue will be this node. And again, you see that the 5 volts will also have made a super node on that side. And finally, I think this is my last node. This node doesn't have any power supplies. So next question is how many KVLs, how many KCLs do I need to write here? And so I'm gonna first call this my node. I can't use V3 because V3 is this guy, but I can use VA, VB, VC, VD, VE, VF, and VG. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 nodes, but there are 3 power supplies. So actually there are 8 nodes. So 8 nodes minus 1 ground minus 3 V supplies, 1, 2, 3, means I'm gonna need to write 4 KCLs for nodal analysis. So now in the next video I'm gonna write those 4. Let me just stop and start again.